Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sharifah Shafina with NIM 2024-3252 from Class C Information System Major. In this video, I will explain to you about all code that I use in my program. First, I create HTML document using document type HTML. And inside the head tag, I use the viewport meta tag to make the website responsive. And I set the title tentang saya. And for the external files, I connect style.css for global styling, I connect tentang.css for page specific styling, and I import Google Fonts using Poppins to improve typography. And for navigation bar, I create navigation bar using the nav tag, and the brand name is my portfolio. There are two navigation menus. First is tentang saya, and second is kalkulator nilai. And the active page use the class active. And next is hero section. I display my profile photo using the image tag, and I display my full name, my student ID number, my study program, and I add a short biography about my interests. And in the skill section, I create a skill section that display HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. And next is goals section. I create a section that's goal for the next 2 semesters. This section contains my future plans and expectation. And next file is style.css. I use CSS variable inside root. Variable help make color management easier. And I reset default browser styling using margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing is border box. And for the body styling, I use the Poppins font, and I apply a gradient background to create a modern appearance. And for navigation bar, use position is sticky. This keeps the navigation visible while scrolling, and I use flexbox to align navigation items. And next is container styling. The container controls website width and alignment. And for the card styling, the card has white background, rounded corners, shadow effect, and hover animation. And next is input and button. Input have focus effects, button have hover animation and transition. And for responsive design, I use media queries for screens smaller than 500 pixels. This ensures the website works well on mobile device. And next file is tentang.css. First is hero styling. The hero section aligns content to the center, and the profile image has width and height of 212 pixels, object fit cover, object position, center top, and border and shadow effect. And for the info styling, aligns text to the left, and this improves readability. And for the skill styling is skill text use gradients color, hover effect make them interactive. And for the list styling, the goal section use line spacing for better readability. And for next file is calculator.html. This page uses the same navigation bar as the portfolio page. For the grading weeks, the grading system consists of assignment is 30 30%, midterm 30%, and for final exam 40%. And for input fields, I create 3 input fields. There are assignment score, midterm score, and final score. The input type is number. And calculate button, I use button to calculate the final score. And for the error section is display validation message. The result section display the final score and grade. Initially, both sections are hidden. And for the next file is calculator.css. Error message use red color, and for the result box is hidden initially. And for the grade colors, grade A is green, grade B is blue, grade C is orange, grade D is brown, and grade E is red. And for the next file is calculator.js. I use window onload for when the page opens, a welcome message appears, and the function hitung nilai akhir calculates the final score. The formula are assignments times 30%, midterm times 30%, plus final exam times 40%. The function tentukan grade converts score into grades. And this is the condition. And for the validation function, the function validasi input checks are empty input, invalid number, and values outside 0 until 100. And I use add event listener. This detects when the calculate button is clicked. And I retrieve data using getElement by ID. I use console log for debugging, and the display result are the program calculates the final score, the program determines the grade, and the result is displayed dynamically. And the result is like this. In the portfolio page, user can view profile information, and user can view skills and my goals. And in calculator nilai page, there are alert selamat datang di kalkulator nilai semester, and we will try input the score. And the result is like this. Final exam is 81 and the grade is A. And when we invalid input, the program will display error message. Okay, for the next program is matkul.php. I create a form using the post method. I use trim to remove extra space, and I use start to lower to ignore uppercase and lowercase difference. And for the conditional statement, I use if, else if, and else. The program checks course names. And if found, the system display first is laboratory name, course code, credits, and description. And if not found, the program display course not found. And the result is like this. I will try to input the course. and we click search, and this is the information that will display. There are laboratory name, course code, and credits and description. And this is if not found, the program display the course is not found. Okay, I think it's enough for me. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.